Cuckoo night. Getting your nails done. Hi guys, I'm going to be taking Mr. Cuckoo Nut and Geraldine. I have Geraldine in his little thing down there, which I'm going to secure with the seatbelt. I don't know if you can see it. So Geraldine's in his little carrier. I put some, what do you call it, concealer on my dark under eye circles. Does it, I don't know if it made a difference. I don't like makeup, you guys, at all. But I have hereditary fat atrophy in the teardrop area. I'll post a picture of myself when I was 14 or 15 in this picture I posted somewhere here. And as you can see, I had like really, really bad under eye circles, but I had under eye circles, especially so when I had light, especially above me, it would really highlight it and make me look like I had massive, like huge under eye circles. So I normally always get fillers, but then I went to some douchebag who I don't think did it properly. And it kind of gave me a little bit of a Tyndall effect. So that's why I'm always like dark, like under here in this area. And I plan to get some more filler in there in it. But in the interim, I guess I'll wear concealer. I don't know. I'm not a fan of makeup, you guys. So this is, I think, the first time I've ever worn concealer in my videos. Is it the first time? Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Did it make a difference? I don't know. I'm not a fan of the dark under eye circles because, you know, it just makes me look like I'm sick or tired. I'm not a fan of that. Of course, no one is. But, yeah, I don't know. So now I have concealer on. I only put the concealer on. I only put the concealer right here. I never ever put concealer here ever. Just a little bit right there, because that's the only place where I'm like dark is right here. So anywho, never mind that. So I'm taking my birds down to Stewart to a place called Birds on Safari, and I'll leave a link down below in case you're ever in South Florida. Check them out. They're a pretty cool bird shop. They're strictly a bird shop. They don't deal with any other animals other than birds. Birds, and more birds. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna hit the road.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh, you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn.
I'm in Bed Bath & Beyond now. I just realized I look like a crazy person with these two birds. I look like the crazy bird person. Oh my god. Well, anyways, we're gonna head out. Pretty bird coconut. Check how much Coconut doesn't like Geraldine. No. Coconut doesn't like Geraldine. Coconut, what you doing to Geraldine? That's an interesting mirror. I love tropical artwork. Once I renovate my condo, which I've been talking about renovating my condo for the past 3 years, pretty much. It's kind of depressing. Oh, look at that pineapple. Oh, that is the cutest pineapple. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think of that pineapple? Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, I have to have that thing. Pineapple over there. It's really cute. Coconut, do you like the pineapple? Okay, we're in the car now. I already put Geraldine, his little carrier, in the seat next to me because I can't have two birds on my shoulder when I drive. I love it when they crackle their beak, you know, when they go, I don't know if you can hear it. I don't know if you guys could hear it, you know, when the cockatiels go like this. He's doing it right now. I love that sound. It's so relaxing. No, leave my glasses alone. I don't trust Coconut near my glasses. He's popped the lenses out at least 3 times Yeah, at least 3 times. This one, he just popped it out, and then this little bastard. Coconut, you can't be trusted. Cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted. Nope. He's a troublemaker. Coconut. Coconut looks all sweet and innocent, but he's like me. We're troublemakers. We're both troublemakers in disguise. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Check it out, you guys. Coconut's taking a little, well, he was taking a nap. Coconut, you woke up. He was taking a nap. He's so exhausted from getting his nails done. He had his pedicure. There's Geraldine. And there's Coconut. He never ever naps, but when he gets his pedicure done, he always takes a nap. Coconut, you have brand new feet now. Puputi? Puputi, Coconut? Go potty? That's not potty, Coconut.
Don't remove the Asian llama a long, long time ago. This is the time of the apocalypse, the dream of the lasting peace. I tell you what, value your modern life.